enjoy the bar. Hey, you're alright, but I'm darling to enjoy the bar. Hey.